Hello languages teachers, how are you today? I'm just here to comment on modeling and why I think it's so important for our students. So when students are writing an answer to a question, whatever that question is, could be GCSE or A-level or even Key Stage 3, it's so important that we show them a good model, that we highlight important aspects, like for example, we could look at nouns, adjectives, conjunctions, verbs, etc. And it's so important that they see why those things are good in that particular question. But the most important thing is that you can model in many different ways. It could be that you give them a printout version, it could be that you use the visualizer, or it could be that you just use your interactive board and do it live. And I think sometimes doing it live is better because the students see it on the go. But then the important thing to consider is that once you've modeled it, the students can go and write their own answer to that question. You could go around the classroom, live mark it, because remember, live marking is powerful because the students benefit from the feedback at that particular moment, and at the end you don't have a lot to mark. So that means it saves you time too. And finally, once you mark it, you've given the feedback, it's important to ask them to rewrite it. Or it could be that you ask them to rewrite a part of that paragraph again, but it's really, really essential that they think about it all the time. And by the time you've done all that, all those steps, students should have improved their writing effectively. And next time, they won't make the same mistakes. Hope it helps. See you next time.